What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today, it's all about the Logitech G920, which is really robust, really incredible. I thought about sharing with you guys what's happening with this kind of steering wheel. So for further ado, let's get started. You can see, guys, on the box here, this is the box, and it's really incredible. We're gonna just open up the seal here, nice and slow, just like that. And yeah, we open it up and see what's packed. We're getting some paperwork here, as you can see, bunch of paperwork, like how you can mount it, how you can use it, and stuff like that, which is really kind of incredible. As you can see, guys, that's the demonstration. First of all, we're getting like a power adapter. This is like a power adapter with its own kind of power cord, which you can connect it on the power outlet, which is really kind of incredible. So this is the adapter, as you can see here. It's really bigger, and yeah, this is how it looks like. That kind of F1 racing seat, which you can just check it out. You can see here, guys, on the paperwork. This is the seat which of F1 racing, if you'd like, which it's really kind of incredible. I like it. It's really dope. What's in here? We're gonna get started with this one. Ooh, it's heavy. So this is the wheel. Let me just keep it here on my table. Ooh, nice. Really good. Nice. Impressive. So as you can see, guys, this is the wheel. This is how it looks like. These are shifters. These are the Xbox buttons, which you can just find it here. So just know that this kind of G920, it uses PC and Xbox, and it's really incredible. At here downside, you can see how it looks like. It's really incredible. You can set up the pedal here. This is the pedal, and this side it's the gear, but I don't have a gear. I just have this kind of racing wheel and its own kind of pedal here, which is really kind of great. Ooh, this is heavy. Damn heavy. Very heavy. Ooh, incredible. These are the acceleration, the clutch, the brake, which is really good. You can see how much it looks here. It's really kind of awesome. I really like it, the way they kept it. This is an metal. Yeah, it's metal. This is not aluminum, it's metal, and you can feel it. Acceleration, you can feel it. This is the brake. You push the brake. This is the clutch, which is impressive. Downwards, there's nothing else, just some grip here, which this type of grip, they can help you throughout your floor. And this is for the carpet, which it's really kind of awesome. So yeah, that's what's up, guys. It's really cool. I really like it. Impressive. Now I think it's the time whereby we set up on the setup here and see what's happening. Okay, guys, right now I've set up everything steady. We're gonna get started and pushing it. So yeah, let us just do some quick play here. Kenya, I'm gonna take the Kasarani and I'm gonna use the Legends. Yeah, and we check it out how it's gonna be, and adjust my chair here or my seat so as it can look like I'm on the car or something.
Left 3 medium, tightens 100.
Damn.
And left 2, don't cut, and flat right into left 3, big cut.
We're pushing it. Yeah.
And jump, keep left into left 4. Into right 2, very long, keep in, and left 3, big cut.
Let me see the car. Let me see the car.
Into right 3, long, tightens, don't cut. And left 2 opens long, don't cut. Into left 3, don't cut, 30.
bound.
Left 2 tightens 150. Left 2 tightens 150. Jump key middle. Into left 4 long, open.
So yeah guys, that's what's up. I hope you saw the steering wheel, how it works. It's man, it's really kind of tough, hard. You have to get used to it, slow, because it's having some like vibration whenever like you're using the car, you're going outside the bound of the road. What happens is just that it does and it you just get frustrated if you're like what's going on and stuff like that. It's really kind of awesome. Thank you guys for watching. This is the Logitech G920. It's really kind of great and amazing kind of wheel if you want to get started with your cars and stuff like that. Even if it's a too much and bunch of games it supports. And yeah, that's what's up. I'll leave a link down below so you can check out through the Logitech website. And that's what's up. You're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.